guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chechel Koye. If you are new and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. So guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing, why am I smiling so much? I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, iPhone 13, but I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is exciting, okay, because this is my first iPhone. I've been like the Android girl, okay, so this is my first iPhone and I'm pretty excited to unbox this. And if you're new to my channel, I'm always like doing makeup or skincare and hair occasionally here and there, and vlogs sometimes. It's hard, but sometimes, right? But in this video I'm going to unbox this phone, and yeah, I'm also showing you some accessories and set it up with you guys and put the screen guard and all that. So just keep on watching. I have nothing else to say. I'm just way too excited. I was trying to do ASMR, guys, but I don't have nails, so this is what we have. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take off this. So I got it in black, but this is not really black. This is more like gray, okay, and yay. All right. Yeah, so this is what the phone looks like, guys. The sides are more squared, a little bit rounded, but like more square. I mean, compared to the other iPhones, I think this is like square. And yeah, this is it. I'm not going to take this off because I want to put the screen guard. And this is the back. So I've seen iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, and usually this face is like a mirror, right? But this is not a mirror. And oh yeah, it is. It is actually. You guys can see my camera. You guys can see me, right? Yeah, it is. It's not so transparent like the iPhone 12 that I've seen the unboxing, but like it's close to that. And yeah, I've already got my fingerprints on it, which is quite sad. So this is it, and inside the box there's a USB cord, and this is a Type-C USB cord, and then there is this. Okay, this is a pin, a SIM card pin, and you have the Apple logo, and I guess manuals and all that, and that's all. No earphones and no charger head, so you have to get these things by yourself. So let's get back to the video. Ooh, okay, so like I said, this is like my first iPhone. I've been the Android girl, so it's like a huge upgrade from my other phone. So I'm using the Oppo phone, and this is the Android. So this is the Oppo Reno Z. I'm not trying to compare, but it's like just a little bit. I think the Oppo phone is like 6.4 inches and this is like 6.7, so just a tiny little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up while I show you guys the accessories that I got for this. Okay, I'm excited. All right, I'm excited. This is my first phone. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know how am I supposed to transfer my details. I have a lot of YouTube videos to watch. How do I transfer my things from Android to here? Do I have to get new things? What am I supposed to do? If you guys have any idea how you can move from Android to iPhone, just leave a link to a video that I can watch. So I'm going to go ahead and on this. I hope what I'm pressing is the on button. Yeah, it is. So this is it. By the way, guys, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a 256 gig, okay, and oh, it says hello, and this retailed for 2019 Australian dollars. and you know in Australia they already add tax to the things you are getting, so I think that's included, tax and everything. 2019 for 256 gig. In case you're trying to get it, you have to choose a language, and of course I'll choose English. I have to be seeing those, I'm showing you guys. So you choose your country. Okay, you choose your country. I'm going to go ahead and choose, of course I'm in Australia, and yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go and watch videos to set this up, but before I do that, let me just show you guys the accessories that I got. I know probably I went a little bit overboard with things I got, but I mean I wanted to prepare. I wanted to, like, I have nothing that has to do with iPhone in this house, absolutely nothing, so I know I needed to get things, and this thing is quite limited. There's no earpiece, there's no charger head. What am I supposed to do? I don't have a Type-C charger head. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be unboxing or show you guys is the charger head, and I got this from the same store that I got the phone. So yeah, let me just quickly open this up. Okay, so this is the charger head I got for it, and you can see it has the Type-C mount for the phone charger, the Philippians phone charger. So yep, yeah, that's it. And the second thing I got, I don't know if I should tell you guys the prices to these things. I'm going to the prices for these things, but I'm going to leave the link to everything, the accessories and all that, and also attach the prices to it in the description box so you can check it out. Another thing I got is an extra charger. So I don't know if you're like me, but I hate unplugging my charger from the charging port. Like, once I put it there in the socket, I want it to be there. Okay, don't move around. So if I need to use my charger to like go out or something or anywhere, I don't want to keep plugging and unplugging the one I use in charging my phone at home. So I got like an extra charger from Amazon. Okay, so this is also a Type-C mount to an iPhone charger, right? Yeah, it's also a Type-C, but my other phone, the charger head is, you know, the usual charger head. So I got something else to go with this because I didn't want to buy a new charger head. That was a waste of money. I got this, and I hope this works though. I don't know if this is going to work though, but I hope it does. So this is like, what do they call it? Type A to Type-C. So it has this Type A thing going on here, and then the back is Type-C. Okay, so I didn't want to get an extra head. So this is what it looks like. This is the mount. I can plug this on my Android charger, and then I can plug this one here and charge my phone. So this solves the problem. And this is like really long. I got it like in 6 inches. Like I wanted like an extra long one. So this is it. So another accessory is the phone case. Okay, yeah, I got 2 phone cases. I don't have any reason for, well, I have a reason for doing this. So I'm the type of person that I like switching up my phone, right? I get bored seeing one thing over and over again. So I got 2 phone cases, very simple phone cases. I mean, one simple one and one relatively fine one. Okay, so I got this one. This is just basic silicone black and phone case. It looks like stones at the back. It's really smooth, but it has this stony look. Does that make sense? Like a beach stone sand-ish look. So this is just silicone. It's flexible. And let me show you guys the second one. This is the second one. This is a little bit more fancy, and yeah, this is a little bit more fancy. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. These are for fancy days. Just when I get bored of being too simple, I like to switch things up once in a while. So this is not as flexible as the other one. This is plastic, which is scary. I hope it doesn't break. So this is what it looks like. It has this gold thing and white. It's kind of really nice. So the last thing that I got is this, and this is just a screen protector, which I'm going to add now before I use my fingerprint to redesign the whole phone. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we'll attach the screen. Oh, it's already open. Since I can't do ASMR with my nails, Okay, so I got this two from Amazon, which is quite interesting. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it opens up like this, and you get a cleaning wipe, and then you get papers, you get the instruction, and yeah. So this comes with 2 screen guards. Oh, ignore me, this comes with 3 screen guards. How did I, well, it's cool. 3 screen guards from Amazon, and yeah, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and put the screen guard first before I start setting up the phone. And guys, wish me luck. I've never done this thing on my own. Okay, so let's do it together. Alright guys, I'm going to just follow the instructions on the paper because I have no idea what I'm doing. And the first one says to apply the 2 hinge stickers onto the back of the device. Okay, so this is the sticker that I showed you guys initially that it came with, and the wipe and the dry one, the wet one and the dry one. So I'm going to do as they said. Okay guys, I realized I was doing it the wrong way, so I had to like switch everything, but it's still the same process. So the next thing is to take off this, because the other way that I did it, this was outside, it was supposed to be inside, so I could peel it off like this. So there's this thing going on here, it's like going up, and then yeah, there we have it. I have been trying to set my camera angle, bring it down, bring it up, show you guys everything in detail. Well, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm still going to publish this video however chaotic it might look, so bear with me, okay? So yeah, I think this is like a very huge upgrade for me, you know, from Android and all that. I mean, I was never like an Apple fan, honestly. Like my friends know I'm not like an Apple fan. They'll be like, she doesn't like iPhone. Yeah, not really, but they always have issues with like battery. But I watched this video of like battery tests for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and yeah, I was amazed. I'm going to leave the link to that video in my description box. It's amazing. Okay, they did a very huge thing with this battery, and I'm like, you know what, it's gonna be weird if I die and I don't use the most talked about phone. I mean, if you can afford it, of course, go get it. Oh yeah, my phone is ready. Yeah, I'm just being too dramatic. So yeah, my phone is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and do the whole thing off camera, switch my SIM card, download some apps, do all that. I know, pay for some apps, right? That's what you guys do with iPhone. You pay for apps. Sadly, that's just one thing that is always keeping you away from this phone, because you kind of pay for everything. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, just like this video and give me a thumbs up. I have no idea what I did in this whole video. I just unboxed the phone and I'm way too excited, so I don't know if I filmed this correctly, but I hope I did. Okay, so yeah, if you want to get this phone, guys, just get it. I don't really like, I've never cared about what people say, okay? If people hype things too much, and if I don't want to get it, I don't get it. If people don't hype things enough and I really want to get it, I still get it. I just decide. So make sure you decide to get the phone, not hype or what people say and all that shit. Just get your phone if you want to get the phone. It's a good phone. It feels a bit heavy. This is so light. Like, just look at the thickness. Just look at the thickness. This is so slim and this is so thick, so this is huge. And I've always liked a big phone, okay? And yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and let me go explore my phone. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for staying to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.